Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you the creative capabilities of ChatGPT 5 into creating new images and videos. So here I got a prompt where we can ask ChatGPT to generate an epic panoramic illustration featuring the 7 wonders of the world, and I wanted to see if it's able to understand simply this text and convert it into an image, essentially. So you can just copy that prompt and click run. And what you see right now is ChatGPT is going to look at its creative side. It's going to try to understand that text, convert it into an image, and generate an image right now on the spot that has never existed before. And look at this incredible image that was generated right now on the spot. Look at the details of the image. So it combined here, for example, the Great Pyramids of Giza, combined as well Taj Mahal. You can see here as well the Petra here in Jordan. It's just pretty incredible. All right, next I would like to show you the capability of GPT-5 into generating new videos that never existed before. So if you go to the left-hand side, you will see Sora, and Sora is another AI model by OpenAI, where you can simply prompt it in plain English, and then it's going to generate a video for you. Let me show you. So now I'm going to ask it a question. So first, what you do here is you describe an image, and then here ChatGPT 5 is going to generate a few selected images for you. And then if you're happy with one of the images, you can turn that into a video. Let me show you. So now I'm going to paste this. I'm going to say, I wanted to create a playful golden retriever, for example, puppy. And I wanted to include, for example, here a banner that says, okay, Dr. Ahmed's Udemy courses are awesome. Let's go ahead and see if it's able to understand and generate that for us. When you click run, you can go ahead and see here, it has been added to the queue. So if you click here on the queue, and if you made it slightly bigger, now you should see the prompt here that you entered, and you should see 2 images that will be created first based on that prompt, and then you can select one of them and turn it into a video. And here we go. Now you see a nice puppy that has been created, and here we have share if you think that Dr. Ryan Ahmed's courses are awesome. Okay, this is pretty cool. I'm happy with this one, so you can go ahead and select it, and you can click on create video, and now you can optionally describe what you want that video to look like. So for example, here I'm going to ask it, could you please make that dog run and smile with happiness and laughter? So now you're simply creating a scene out of that image. This image is going to be created into a video, and you can go ahead, use that video and in your projects, for example. And look at this amazing video that has been created here. So basically ask it to move this basically scene, and now you should see this scene became a video. And of course, it's not that great yet. It requires a lot of improvement. That's pretty much all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.